So, by web scraping, I mean getting data from any website to your local system programmatically. By programmatically, it means you can use Python APIs like Beautiful Soap, ScrapPy, or any Java, .NET, Golang, Linux, or Windows scripting, etc. But as this tutorial is for non-technical audiences as well, so we will use Linux script for crawling as it is very simple and easy to use, and it can be learned by anyone in matter of hours. So now you know about now you know that web crawling is about getting data from websites you don't own to your systems of databases owned by you. But so till now, whatever we talked, that was about web scraping. What is web crawling and how it is different from the web scraping term? So in general conversation, our daily talks, they both have same meaning, but if you talk on high level, there is a difference which is important for you to know before moving forward. By web scraping, we mean dumping data from any website, and by crawling, we mean finding the associated links or hyperlinks also along with text. I will give you one example to make it clear. So in the whole tutorial actually, we will be using this website for giving any kind of demo on web scraping and web crawling, and this is this website is owned by me, so I'm not worried about getting sued for doing any kind of web scraping or web crawling. Okay, so like in these websites you can see there are multiple products listed. So suppose if I want to know, I want to track the price of any specific product, and I want to get a notification if the price of that product get reduced, right? So what I will do, what I can do, I can just track the product and it price. I can crawl, I can do web scraping on these two data points, that will be product like Dabur organic honey and its price, that is 200 rupees, okay, on daily basis. And if on some special day I see the price of this product is got reduced to 150 rupees, then I can get a notification and I can go and buy this product, right? But whatever means I told you, it is web scraping here because I'm just dumping the product name and rupees. But what if I also dump the link associated with this product, which is this? uh, So if I also dump this hyperlink associated with the product in my local systems or databases, it will it will be termed as web crawling rather than web scraping. Okay, so as I told you, on basic level, our normal conversation, both words web crawling and web scraping are same. So in the whole tutorial, I will be using both terms, web scraping and web crawling, interchangeably, and you can just understand that there is no distinction, there is no difference in both terms in the scope of this tutorial. So mostly, whatever we do as an individual to get some leads, to get some information, to track some product prices or stock mutual fund prices by that is mainly called web scraping. Web crawling is mostly done by search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, to map and index new pages on web or reindex existing pages which made some modification via different mathematical algorithms.